Kiama kia ARUTANI secondary gia KUPPET nigitafanetie kigomano kiao kia o mwaka kiharo-ini gia Kasarani Nairobi umuthi magikungwira miaka 25 kuria marireirie ciigie junior secondary. No na thengia wa thirikari KUUGA ikahe arutani aria makoretwo magithomithia junior secondary kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe mieke ya mbere hari wandikani wa arutani mwaka turorete. Arutani aya maugite matigetikira kweruhia kandarathi yao mbere ya mandikitwo wira ta uria maiguithanirie. Kuria ningi matetete ni mushara munini uria makoretwo makirihwo.
We are the one in the grassroots, so we are appealing the government, kindly please confirm the JSS teachers. No renewal, no confirmation. Yeah.
We can wait for the ARIAs come the next financial year, which is 2024. Because this issue of there is no money will continue. We realize that they are laying a trap to us.
The way we solve emergency resources and mobilization of funds for El Nino, that's what the emergency we need for these teachers in this country.
Na ciegie junior secondary gukorwo ire thukuru-ini cia muthingi, arutani aya magitongorio ni mwandiki munene wa kiama giki gia KUPPET Akelo Misori maugite riu guthie na mbere grade ya 8 na 9 ifatie gutwarwo thukuru-ini cia secondary.
The government had already committed to us that they will be given permanent and personal jobs after 1 year. That is what we wanted to happen. As we addressed that issue, the Prime Cabinet Secretary also came up to say that they have acknowledged receipt of our views with regards to domiciling of JSS in secondary school and also the terms and conditions of service, but went ahead to just cry foul of the status of the economy. But you know, teachers are very critical in the implementation of the government program.
Arutani aya maugite makoretwo na ihinda iritu magithomithia momo ma mathomo maria matathomeire na matire na umenyo wamo, undu uria maugite ciana nyingi ni ikurira kuona matirathomithio kiria mafatie.
Nafunza masomo ambayo mimi mwenyewe sielewi. Kwa mfano nafunza somo la home science, nafunza pia somo la hisabati, nafunza pia somo la sayansi, nafunza pia lile somo la kompyuta, na vile niko pale naona wananitumia vibaya. Shule yangu hata haina sufuria hata moja ya kupika, haina jiko.
Most of the JSS learners are being wasted, not because of the intention of the teacher, but because the schools that we are teaching in lack the facilities that are supposed to be used to enhance that learning. My colleagues have talked about labs. It has become a song, and sincerely speaking, there is nothing happening as far as sciences are concerned.
Akiaria ari kigomano-ini giki, Minister munene Musalia Mudavadi augite thirikari ni irarora mateta maria arutani mari namo, no akauga thirikari iri na ihinda iritu kumana na murigo munene wa mathiri uria kuwite.
As much as we have evidence that the education sector continues to take the largest chunk of our public resources, it is clear that a lot more still needs to be done. So our position now as government is to acknowledge that we have a challenge, not to lament anymore, but to acknowledge that we have a challenge, and then we work our way out of that challenge going forward.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni ejitagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.